43 years. Probably the number one thing is craftsmanship. I mean, from day one, that's kind of been my pet peeve, and today it still is. To me, when you're doing something and you're 100% focused and you know the way that it should be and you're striving for that perfection and everything, that means you've got it. Up to then, you're just doing something. And so like students, when I have initially, and you're doing something, they're going through the process, it's like I'm killing them, I'm killing them, I'm killing them. But then when they see the end result and how smooth the project is and everything, I mean, it's incredible. And I tell them, when you look at a project, the first thing you do is you look at it, and if that project's any good, the second thing you do is touch it. And if you touch it and if it feels like glass, you're gonna go back and you're gonna start looking at it. What are the elements of this? Why do I like it? Touch the fair. All this goes back to when I was in middle school. When I was in middle school, I had a drawing class. I would ask to go to the bathroom and I would stand by the woodworking shop and look in the window. And a lot of what I do today is actually paying homage to him. He would have Friday open labs. I would stay after school Friday open labs for a couple hours, walk home. My feet never touched the ground on the way home. I was floating home. It's probably the rocking chair that the students in the 4th level can make. So to get students to build that and get to that level, I mean, that's pretty darn impressive. All right, that we build family heirlooms. What the students make in here down the road, their children, their grandchildren, they're gonna want what they have, what it is that they're making. And every student on the bottom, I make them put their name, the year, the type of wood on it. And then that way down the road, you know, they'll know exactly, you know, this thing was made in 2024. Whoa, I can't believe it, it's 8 years old or whatever. But a personal note with that, my dad made a table when he was in high school, and it was supposed to go to my sister, and, you know, as far as who was supposed to get what when everything was inherited. And fortunately, my brother-in-law said, Alan, you're the one that should get that. And my wife asked me the one day, everything that you've made in the house, what's the one thing that means the most to me? The thing that means the most to me is that table that my dad made. It's not what I made. So these, you know, the students today, they have this opportunity. They don't know what's going to happen down the road. Because I mean, the stuff that comes out of here, it is good quality. You know, we aren't just slapping boards together. Best advice, first of all, best advice as a parent, don't tell your child to do this or that. Because whatever it is isn't going to work. The biggest thing is to find out what it is that you like, what it is that you hopefully love, and go into it. Don't worry about what the money is. Don't worry about how hard it is to get that job or anything, but find something that you like. If I didn't like what I was doing, I wouldn't be here. If we didn't change what we were doing in here when we started the whole guitar stuff and all, I probably would have retired in around 2015, 2016, somewhere around there. That's what kind of gave me my rebirth type of fare. But be happy with what it is you're doing. Don't make it a job. Make it a passion that you have, and find out how you can take that passion to develop it and actually get an income from it.